Today we'll see how we can add some notes to the piano roll. First, you have to start the LMMS application. Then you have to open up the project or open up the file. So you look at recently open projects, or you open from here as you can, but since it's recent, you go to it. Right, you can see here there's the clean guitar. So we want to add notes to the piano roll. So to do that, you have to go to the first rectangle here, click here, and you open up the piano roll. Okay. So you can open up the piano roll. Once you get it, you can actually open up, maximize it. Click here to maximize, and you'll be able to see the full keyboard. Okay, if you can't get the piano roll, it doesn't turn up somehow, you can actually press this third button, as I said. So you see, you can get the piano roll. Or sometimes it will shrink, you go to the bottom. Right, so now you want to add notes to the piano roll. So let's start adding some notes here. So we add the note C, C6. Now you can see here that the note takes about 4 squares. You can make this note smaller by clicking at the side, see, then moving it to the left, and it goes smaller. You get a smaller note. So now you can also move your note if you want to another place like that. See? Just clicking in the middle, and then you just move up. Right, so you have a C here, and then we put a D note, then an E note. And after that, yes, you can go step by step. F note. You can hear how it plays by pressing this play button. Okay. So you press the stop button to stop playing the notes. After the note, F note, there's a G, and then the A. Next is the B. Then there's the C note. That's the last note here. Oh no, you can see it's aligned to it, to the C7. There's some kind of whitish sort of line for the note C7. Okay, so you have C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, right? So you can play to hear whether it's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Okay, it sounds right. Now we've just added notes to the piano roll, and we can save the project. So now you can see the project has been saved. So now you can close or minimize the piano roll. You can see what's happening to your song editor. There's some notes here. You see, this is your track already. There's one track here. Okay, so this is your first track that you created. This is what's in your piano roll. You can see it. Okay, so this is how you add notes to your piano roll. Thank you.